Hi, I want to show you how easy it is to install Hilti concrete sensors. So first thing, we got to open up the box, pull out the sensor. This circle in the middle is a light indicator. This will blink red when the sensor is exposed to light and it turns on. All right, we need to add the sensor to the app. So here in the app, I have a project that's already in here called Easy and a pour that I've labeled Demo. When I click that, I can then add a sensor and it's going to pull up my phone's camera. All I need to do is scan the QR code. I can click Save. Now I can see this sensor is added to this pour. Now that it's connecting, I can see that there's a black check mark. We're all set from the software side. All right, then we want to take our sensor, and when we install it, we're going to use a few cable ties where I can set this up in my sensor. I want to make sure that I install this with the QR code facing out towards the surface. And I can secure this to a corner of rebar. And I want to make sure that this doesn't spin, so it's nice and secure in place. And trim the excess here. With the sensor added to the app, snugly in place in the rebar, it's good to be covered in concrete.